Courtois. Not much he can do with this one. If we're going to get a good look here, there's a step over. Two guys run by just over the head of John Terry. Side netting by Sandro. It's Barcelona up 2-1.
Sandro gets the go-ahead goal in the 66th minute. Now it's Barcelona. Chelsea's getting ready to make more changes. We're still sorting out what was just changed at the hour mark. But something's changed in the game. The way Barcelona came on in the second half. Sprinklers just came on the field. That's not a good sign. They just stopped though. But it was Chelsea that was up earlier by a 1-0 score. Now they've conceded the last two. Jean-Louis Miquel plays it back to Courtois. Eden Hazard's night is going to be ending soon, with Radamel Falcao coming in for him. And that's going to be an interesting signing. He's on loan. It didn't work out at Manchester United. Chelsea's hoping it will work out here. Here's the change.
And number 10 had an absolutely outstanding night tonight. A great round of applause on his way out. Radamel Falcao wearing that famous number 9 jersey that we've heard quite a bit about over the years, making his comeback from knee injury. It didn't go well last year at Manchester United, but in his first game they were happy with his movement. Didn't seem to have much of an effect on his knee. And Jose Mourinho talked about he thinks he's the guy to resurrect Radamel Falcao's career here and get him back on that goal-scoring track.
Well, if anyone can, you would think it would be Jose Mourinho. For more on number 9. Downstairs, Katie with them.
Well, JP, for Chelsea fans, seeing Falcao put on that number 9 jersey may make them a little nervous because anyone that has put it on hasn't typically fared well. Since 1999, anyone that's worn number 9 hasn't lived up to expectations and typically only lasts one season. It started with Chris Sutton back in 1999, Kezman, Franco Di Santo, and obviously most notably Fernando Torres. We are hoping that Falcao may change that superstition around.
He's going to get an opportunity, one would think, with Chelsea at some point. Still in the books at Monaco. Expensive numbers, too.
JP, sometimes it just takes a manager to believe in you. A guy to put you in the right spot. A guy to tell you can get it done. Jose Mourinho, anyone who's ever played for him, it seems that they love playing for him. He knows exactly what he wants. He's made decisions over the last couple of years, getting rid of guys maybe that fans would have liked to have kept. Juan Mata comes to mind.
Yeah.
But he knows what he wants. So in going after Radamel Falcao, he knew what he was getting into. He said he wasn't worried. And so far, so good. Only one game back. He played 30 minutes. But again, as I mentioned earlier, they were happy. No effects to the knee. Didn't seem to be slowed in any way.
Dropping back for Iniesta. He'll switch it. Gerard Piqué. Rafinha scored a goal. The only goal against Manchester United on the weekend in that loss. Renier can't get through. A run down the left sideline. Willian still has it. Head up. But Barcelona have everybody back defending. Late whistle, but the foul that Remy draws. Free kick for Chelsea.
It's a good burst of speed there by Willian. Pushed it by Sergio Roberto. Good recovery run by Roberto.
Willian will put this ball back into play. 26-year-old Brazilian. Curling ball up. Right at goal. Jordi Massep, he'll roll it ahead. The break is on. Barcelona flying afield. Chelsea in white coming back with numbers to defend. All the way into the box. Pressure now, finally from Ramirez. Pedro pushing it back.
Fun stuff by Pedro. The question remains, is this the last time we see Pedro in a Barcelona jersey? We keep hearing, is it Manchester United? Is it someplace else?
He's in demand. Falcao. Slowed down. Fights to win it back. Gets the call his way. Chelsea's ball. 72nd minute. A 2-1 lead for Barcelona. Sandro with a go-ahead goal. After Suarez had tied it, it was 1-0 Chelsea at halftime. Falcao for Willian. Broken up by Samper, who fouls. John Terry on the ball. It's going to go out of play. Throw in for Chelsea. Halilovic is going to be coming into the game for Munir. It's another change for Barcelona.
Good to see the 19, JP, get to see the 19-year-old Halilovic. He's going to be going to West Ham in the next couple days. But outstanding young Croatian player. Youngest ever to debut for Croatia at 16 years old with the national team.
Throwing for Zuma. Into the box. It's cleared out. Jean-Louis Miquel. Into the middle, Ramirez. Kept it on the ground and just missed Falcao. Masic rolls it ahead. Samper. Samper's another young talent, number 26, just 20 years of age. Rumored interest from teams like Arsenal. Long towards Pedro. Tackled away. Gathered in by Chelsea. Jean-Louis Miquel. Pressured. Releases. Finally won by Chelsea. Jean-Louis Miquel for Willian. Trying to go wide, and that's a rush and a hard challenge. Now Chapman's got a card coming. Jordi Alba.
Easy one here for Jordi Alba.
Chelsea, that's the second booking.
Alba is in there hard. That's not a preseason tackle by any stretch of the imagination. There's a little wrestling going on here with Terry and Samper.
John Terry in a conversation with the referee Alan Chapman as well as Samper. And now this free kick from Chelsea's Willian. Struck long into the box. Keeper's out. Grabbed it in traffic. Well done by Matson.
He took a good angle to that. Good feed on it right from the start. Solid hands.
Massip's actually their third goalkeeper, plays for Barcelona B. Andre Bravo is number 1. Ter Stegen is really their number 2, at least in the league. Cutting ball in, left there, and then cleared by Zuma. Headed back by Barcelona, one in the air by Chelsea. Falcao, back to go, pushing it back. Dangerous ball, but with enough pace on it for Courtois. Trying to get it back. Right back by Rafinha. PK. 76th minute. And Barcelona have a 2-1 lead. Played off by Iniesta. Alba. Pedro. All the way back in Barcelona's half for PK. Rafinha. Left it off. Samper. Out wide. It's too far. Throw in Chelsea. Ivanovic will take the throw in. Ivanovic holding now in his own half, moving it ahead, right sideline, pushed ahead towards Loic Remy, looking. Remy across. Good attempt by Falcao, but it sails high and wide.
It's good work, good run by Falcao at the back post. And he plays it behind him. Probably his only option, JP, to try and steer it on frame. You see him peel off his defender there very well. It's just a little bit behind Falcao. It's about all he can do there.
Just announced the attendance is almost 79,000, 78,914 at FedEx Field. Home of the Washington Redskins of the NFL. Goal scorers tonight, Eden Hazard, 10th minute. Luis Suarez in the 52nd. Sandro, 66th minute. Barcelona leads 2-1. Tackled away, gathered in. All the way back towards Courtois, under pressure. Oh, that's a tough move for him. And it was lost out by Barcelona.
Almost felt that one coming when it was played back. You see Courtois trying to turn. Pedro can't keep it in. Good rhythm, JP, I think, to the game. You talked about earlier games. Maybe the rhythm changes when you make all these substitutions, but as I mentioned, you're getting a little bit deeper into preseason. The guys now trying to cement their names.
Nice ball. Moses leaves it. Ramirez! That should have been a tying goal. Nice setup by Chelsea.
Absolutely was. Ramirez read this play the entire way. He was making the run early. You'll see him there at the top of your screen. And steer it on frame. An opportunity for Chelsea. Good build up. Victor Moses with good patience at the top of the box.
Barcelona on the ball. Pressured by Chelsea in the 80th minute. PK gets it past John-Obi Mikel. Gets the return from Rafinha. Back towards Rafinha. Kept his run going. It's deflected back. Courtois off the line to grab it with John Terry in a good spot. Chelsea still have another game left in this tournament against Fiorentina back home in London. But before that, Community Shield game against Arsenal on the weekend.